Jellyfin on a Samsung TV is possible, but the important detail is that you do not install it like a normal store app. The clean path is developer mode plus one Docker command. Jellyfin is self-hosted. Your computer, NAS, or small server stores the movies and shows. The Samsung TV is only the client that browses and plays that library. The catch is Tizen. Jellyfin is not sitting in the normal Samsung App Store, so you enable developer mode first, then push the Tizen app from a computer. On the TV, open Apps, then the App Settings panel, and turn on developer mode. Enter your computer's local IP address when the TV asks for the host PC. After the restart, look for the developer mode label in the app's screen. If it is not there, the Docker command will usually fail before it ever reaches Jellyfin. The one command install uses the georift Docker container. Install Docker Desktop on your computer first, then run the command with your Samsung TV's IP address. Replace the sample IP with the TV's real address. Keep the TV and computer on the same router and subnet, and disconnect any VPN while you install. On first launch, point the Samsung app at your Jellyfin server. The normal local address uses your server IP and port 8096. For fewer surprises, reserve a static IP for the Samsung TV in your router. If the TV address changes, the next Docker update command may fail, even though nothing else is broken. For Playback, enable Direct Play and Direct Stream in Jellyfin. The goal is to let the Samsung TV decode files it already supports, instead of making the server transcode. For big local files, Ethernet is worth it. Normal 1080p can be fine on Wi-Fi, but high bitrate 4K remuxes can overwhelm a weak wireless link. If you see connection refused, check developer mode first. The TV may have left that mode or restarted into a normal locked state. If the device is not found, check the IP address on the TV itself. Go to Network Status, copy the address exactly, and make sure your computer is on the same network. If Docker is not running, the command cannot do anything useful. Open Docker Desktop, wait for it to finish starting, then run the install again. Compared with Plex and Emby, Jellyfin takes more setup on Samsung because Plex and Emby have official store apps. The reward is that Jellyfin stays free. Updating follows the same pattern. Pull the latest container image, rerun the install command with your TV IP, and your library data stays on the server. Bottom line, most failed Samsung Jellyfin installs come down to two things. Developer mode is off, or the TV IP is wrong. Check those before changing anything else. Scan the QR or open SmartTVS.org for the full Jellyfin on Samsung TV guide, including the command, developer mode steps, playback settings, and error fixes.